The ability to automatically save data in a sequence has been a soundcheck feature since its inception. No other audio test and measurement system offers the autosave options and flexibility found in soundcheck. Soundcheck can save to a variety of formats including text, CSV, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, MATLAB, WAVE, database, as well as the native Soundcheck DAT, results, and waveform formats. The ability to save sequence data every time a sequence is run is a clear benefit for the production line test environment. Curves, values, results, and waveforms can be saved for each device under test, preserving the test data for future statistical analysis. Autosave steps are generally found at the end of a sequence after all the data and results have been generated. Step templates are available for the most common autosave formats. Here's the Save to DAT autosave step. At the top, I have the ability to select whether data, results, or waveforms are to be autosaved, and you can see that as I toggle through these options, the memory list items in the list are filtered based upon my selection. The data to be saved is determined by selecting the desired items in the list, including standard click, shift and click, and control click functions. Once you've selected the items to be saved, you can assign the location to where they will be saved. By default, this will be your Soundcheck data folder, but you can also save to any location on a local or network drive or portable media storage. Below the folder path control is the data formatting dropdown. Depending on the selected format, the various options may or may not be available. You can see that as I switch from Soundcheck format to Excel, that many of the options became active, including the options to use an Excel template, axis selection, layout, header configuration, and notation. Test information is appended to the saved data's name. So if I select time, the saved data selected above will be appended with a timestamp every time it is saved. The final configuration is for how the file will be saved and file name construction. This gives the user options to create, overwrite, or append data to an existing file when saving, and whether this should be an automatic operation or prompt the operator with a file save dialog. File name construction is done using a template format using default options such as sequence name, time, serial number, as well as a user-defined field. For this example, I'm going to use the default template construction using the sequence name and date. We can never have enough data, no matter if we're working in R&D or production, and the autosave step is a powerful soundcheck feature that allows you to save the data you want, in the format you want, and in the location you want. Future versions of Soundcheck will include even more autosave formatting options, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.